Tired of wading through the junk in your garage? Then a Lifetime outdoor storage building is the perfect solution for your storage needs. This 11 by 13.5 foot storage building gives you the perfect space for a tool shop, your outdoor gear, or ATVs. The spacious 125 square foot interior and heavy duty construction makes it perfect for a variety of needs. The building includes 2 shatterproof windows that lock closed, 2 large skylights, and 2 screened vents. To help you keep things organized, the storage building even comes with 2 30 by 14 inch shelves, 5 30 by 10 inch shelves, and 2 peg strips. The storage building doors have a 5 foot wide and 6 foot 5 inch high opening, and also have an exterior padlock loop. With plenty of headroom to walk in and out, you'll find that you'll not only be able to store and retrieve your things easily, but that they'll also stay secure. Shelves can be placed wherever you like, including up in the trusses for overhead storage. With a variety of options available, you can customize them to fit your needs. The Lifetime Storage Building has additional shelves and accessories available for purchase. Extension kits are available in 2.5 foot increments to lengthen the shed to your own custom desired length. Constructed of UV protected high density polyethylene, Lifetime Storage Buildings are low maintenance and will not crack, chip, or peel, or otherwise deteriorate in the elements. Unlike wooden sheds, no staining or painting is required. All roof, wall, and floor panels are resistant to stains and easy to clean. The UV inhibitors make it resistant to UV rays of the sun. Our storage buildings will retain their attractive appearance and design without requiring extra work to keep them maintained. The steel reinforced walls directly connect to each heavy-duty roof truss, and the dual-layer wall construction combined with the steel reinforced design provides superior strength. The structure can also be anchored to the ground. The high-pitched roof allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. It provides a 7.5 foot interior height from floor to truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The Lifetime Outdoor Storage Building is not only built for durability, it also has an attractive appearance and design to keep your backyard looking great. It's time to reclaim your garage. Let a Lifetime Outdoor Storage Building be your storage solution. With its durability, spacious interior, and good looks, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.